Hello YouTube, this is going to be a video. I'm not showing most of the work probably, but the results of tearing down a Tecumseh 8 horsepower engine. So this engine came to me, a guy brought it in for me to look at it and see what's up with it. It's a 1972 Tecumseh 8 horsepower engine, and it's seen a lot of wear. It's left outside for at least 10 years probably. And the first thing I noticed is when I took the oil cap off and I checked the oil level. Well, now it's a bit low again, but it was about 2 quarts high, which means either water or fuel got into the oil. And since the oil wasn't milky and it smelled like fuel, I know there's fuel in the oil. So I'm going to assume that there's fuel getting by the rings or the valves or both. And in addition, when it had high RPMs, he said it would sputter oil out the breather and the oil would splash everywhere. So I'm assuming blocked breather or really bad rings or something to that nature. In addition, when I took off the recoil start, the reason why it was clicking was because, as you can see in there, the nut broke off and somebody tried welding it and it just catches on the weld enough to turn it over. This engine's been apart, well, at least a lot of it's been apart a few times, because all that's holding this cover on right now is this bolt here and these 2 screws that go to the carburetor. It's missing the choke valve, and I'm sure a lot of things are going to be missing inside, but yeah, it would just fire over and run for a few seconds and die when he brought it to me. But yeah, this one looks like a mess. Electric starter on it didn't work. The gas tank has a small leak, and the fuel lines with the fuel valve and everything are holding, but they're pretty old and they don't feel like rubber anymore. They feel very sticky. Yeah, the carburetor is probably nice inside, but like usable inside. But yeah, this engine is going to be a job. I'll let you know what happened.